indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, wheel covers, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. Come see the car for yourself.